this video I show you how to play the wedding march from Midsummer Night's Dream by Mendelssohn.
Okay, we'll start with the intro. I'll play the intro on the swell, and I'll play the main theme on the great. When I say swell manual, it's on the top manual, and the great is the lower manual. Now over here, we need to practice the change of the manual. So my right hand should be ready on that C anyway, and my pedal should be ready on A. Yeah, and the only thing you need to change is the left hand. I want to change from that C to here to F sharp. So you might practice a few times from the C major chord to F sharp. Yeah, so like this. We want to learn 2 bars at a time because we will change the pedal note every 2 beats. So I think I can just about remember 4 notes at a time. A, B, E, D. Yeah. And then we'll add left hand. And now we'll add right hand with the pedal board. Gradually, we'll put everything together at a slower speed. Yeah, and I'm very happy with it. Because I played everything right, I'm going to speed up slightly. Sounds good. And now we're going to move to the next 2 bars. I have C, G, C. You need to move your note. You need to move your right foot up by 2 notes. You can feel it on the pedal board, or you can use that black key as a reference. The first one after black key is the one you want to hit. So C is easy. C is just if you let your left foot leg just relax, it will naturally fall on the C. So add right, add left. So add left hand. And add right hand. Everything together. And then I'm going to move up the manual again because I'm going to play a very short passage. C, G, C, you want to practice the move of the manual again. Yeah. And let's do it together. And while you are changing it back, you should get everything ready as your starting position for the main theme. Slightly different notes. And then we're going to play a second theme. And the second theme is actually slightly easier. We can do 4 bars at a time. So for my pedal board, I will do C, G, C, G. On my left hand, I will do G, F, G, slightly in dissonance, but it's going to be okay. It's 5/7 chord. Now I'm going to add the melody. Because it's relatively simple, I'm just going to add the melody straight away. So it's like that. In fact, if you put your right hand on a C major second inverting position, that's it. Yeah. And next part, you need to stretch your hand slightly. So that's the melody. And on the pedal board, you have C, F, D, D. And I recommend want you to play your first D with your left foot because it's easy. You can play C immediately, cover it on the D, get ready. For the second D, I recommend you change your foot so that you can get your left foot ready for the next section. Yeah. So now we're going to play pedal with the left hand. Like that. Okay. Now we will add everything together slowly. Once you're happy, you can speed up. And then we will start from the first thing again. So we're going to play from the beginning.